Good morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are. My name is Benjamin Rabinowitz. Alongside with Novia Deeg and Ty Perkins, we analyzed Consolidated Distribution Partners, also known as CDP, which is a Florida-based distributor of thermosteel building systems, which are insulated steel wall panel designed to make construction faster, stronger, and definitely more energy efficient. So throughout this project, we evaluated the company's current position in the market, identifying its biggest opportunities and challenges, and developed a realistic strategy for long-term growth. Our goal wasn't just to study the company, we wanted to provide recommendations that could help CDP expand the market while maintaining the quality and customer service that sets it apart from other construction companies. So, a CDP operates out of Florida and serves as one of the primary distributors of thermosteel product. Unlike any traditional construction supplier, CDP provides much more than just simply selling building material. The company helps the customer throughout the entire construction process, including the project planning, the whole distribution, the technical support, customer service. And the product combines structural steel framing with expanded polystyrene insulation into a single engineered panel system. It's also non-combustible. This allows the builder to complete projects way more efficiently while improving the energy performance and reducing waste. As demand grows for sustainable and high performance construction, CDP is positioned to serve everything: residential, commercial, multifamily, and especially and just specialty in construction markets, with a product that offers so much advantage over conventional wood framing. So although construction demands grow, the industry faces several challenges. First, skilled labor. The shortages have made it increasingly difficult to complete projects on time. Second, material prices continue to fluctuate, creating uncertainty for contractors and developers. So traditional wood framers, they require a lot of labor, longer build times, and they're exposed projects to weather delays and everything throughout construction. Also, you don't need a crane while building with thermosteel. So it addresses many of these issues, and because of these advantages, we believe CDP has an excellent opportunity to continue gaining market share and you could just look for a faster and more reliable construction solution. So now that we've covered the opportunity in the market, Novia is going to explain some of the internal constraints CDP must overcome to continue growing. Thanks.
So my name is Novia, and for constraints, one of the biggest constraints is production capacity. As demand increases, manufacturing must continue expanding to avoid long lead times. The second challenge is market awareness. Many builders are still unfamiliar with insulated steel panel construction, so they continue using traditional wood simply because they know what it is. And then finally, supply chain coordination remains critical since these projects involve manufacturing, transportation, and scheduling. Delays in any stage can impact customer satisfaction. So addressing these constraints is essential before the company can successfully expand into larger markets. And then for the next slide. And to validate our growth strategy, we proposed a 90-day market expansion experiment. And so the goal is to target 50 companies across 4 different construction markets. This includes residential, multifamily, commercial, and specialty construction. So rather than immediately investing large amounts of capital, this experiment allows CDP to test demand, gather customer feedback, and identify which industries respond best to the product. And throughout the 90 days, the company would measure proposal activity, customer interest, and project conversions to determine which future investment should be focused. And so now Ty will explain how we will measure success and how we.
Our success metrics focus on measurable business results. Within the first 90 days, we recommend scheduling 20 meetings with qualified companies and generating at least 15 formal proposals. From those proposals, our goal is to secure between 3 and 5 new projects while increasing revenue from adjacent markets by approximately 10%. These objectives provide realistic benchmarks that allow management to evaluate performance and make data-driven decisions before expanding further. After evaluating several possible growth strategies, our team concluded that the best path forward is expanding into adjacent construction markets. This recommendation is built around 3 key ideas: educate, scale, and lead. First, CDP should educate builders on the advantages of insulated steel construction through demonstrations, digital marketing, and industry partnerships. Second, the company should scale operations by continuing to invest in the production capacity and operational efficiency. Finally, CDP should position itself as a leader in high-performance building systems by emphasizing innovation, sustainability, and superior customer support. This strategy builds on the company's existing strengths while creating new opportunities for long-term growth. In conclusion, Consolidated Distribution Partners already has a strong foundation built on innovative products and excellent customer support. By increasing market awareness, expanding strategically, and continuing to educate builders, CDP has the opportunity to become one of the leading distributors of insulated steel building systems in the country. Thank you for your time, and we'd be happy to answer any questions.